Alkohol, kelaparan. Untung ada Mbak Dian. Mbak Dian jual apa sekarang hari ini? Hah?
Laris jualannya laris.
Laris ini hari ini? Dikasih lagi nih menu spesial sama si Mas Adi. Orang-orang pada nanyain gimana dapat kerja di selebriti.
Dapat apa?
Kerja di selebriti pakai apa?
Oh, interview.
Agensinya apa namanya?
Dulu agensinya itu PT Ratu Oceania Raya, tapi udah ini dia
Tutup.
sudah-
Terus sekarang kalau mau ke selebriti pakai apa?
PT
Lucu ya. Kalau dari sini langsung ini kali berbunga ya, Neng. Ini restoran namanya Eden. Konsepnya kayak taman-taman Eden gitu. 3 lantai ya sampai ke bawah situ. Terus dia ada live music juga sini kadang. Jadi lokasinya tuh di belakang daripada restoran. See, you can see down here. Di atas ini juga termasuk a part of the Eden. Nih. Jadi dia lokasinya di buritan kapal. Jadi view-nya ke belakang sana. Ini ada musiknya kalau malam. Oh, sampai 1, 2, 3 lantai berarti. Di atas ada lagi tuh. Keren. Sampai ke sana. Jadi kalau malam ini kayak tempat lounge gitulah, nongkri-nongkri juga. Si Bobo lagi ngerokok di luar. Di luar pasti juga dia. Aku semalam mabok. Lupa jadi heartburn gitu perut aku. Swing chair, aku mau main ayunan dulu ya. Aku juga main ayunan guys. Yang lama gak main ayunan. Gila, gue semalam mabok sama orang Meksiko. Kayaknya gue harus kontrol deh kalau lagi minum gitu. Habis breakfast, tapi perut aku udah lumayan enak ya. Kayak heartburn gitu, karena banyak alkohol gitu ya. Terus dikasih sama waiternya orang Bali, minum teh aja mas, aku buatin ya. Yaudah, thank you. Namanya sih Mona Lisa ya. Kita sudah mau deket Saint Thomas tuh, udah kelihatan pulau, udah nggak kelihatan apalagi. Lihat orang pada foto-foto situ. Diperkirakan jam 12.30 kita sampai di Saint Thomas. Pantesan internet udah mulai kenceng deket sini. Saya di sini lagi, akhirnya sama Putu. Ada Anggar. Anggar kita udah ketemu kan ya? Di mana waktu itu ketemu? Udah ketemu di mana kemarin? Di bar deh.
Oh, tadi pagi.
Oh iya tadi pagi, oke sorry.
Iya.
Thank you Anggar.
Ya.
Our view. Lagi makan siang nih kita, si Bubu udah nggak bisa ke buffet lagi, dia kapok dia. Udah ada kapal yang standar situ, Icon of the Seas. I think it's Royal Caribbean, I believe. Aduh, bakal rame lagi nih portnya nih. Ini guys, makanan starter aku chicken satay, beef sama chicken. Ada Mas Anggara, Mas Putu juga. Putu Ade ternyata namanya Adi. Thank you Adi, thank you Anggara. Nah, sebelah kita tuh kapal Royal Caribbean. Ini banyak anak kecil pastinya deh. My next course. Ini namanya apa tadi gue lupa. Seafood apa gitu. Tapi udah dilepas skewernya sama dia. Harus pakai skewer sama dia udah lepas. Si Bubu having a sandwich. So after this we gonna going ashore outside for see what they have in Saint Thomas, guys. Reki. Dan ini kapal Royal Caribbean, Icon of the Seas, the largest ship too. Ini our sister company from Celebrity. Jadi nanti jam 3.30 mereka sailing. Ya, kalau kita sampai jam 7.30. Tapi Captain Kate bilang nanti akan bunyi horn, jadi jangan kaget, kita belum pergi kok, kata gitu. Tuh, gede, panjang. Dan kalau kapal-kapal kayak gini biasanya sih buat Oh, Gay Cruise tuh dulu di sini, Icon of the Seas. Ya, di sini mereka ada banyak. Oh, bukan yang sini, bukan ini. Gue inget soalnya kalau Gay Cruise tuh belakangnya tuh bengkok gitu. Ini buat anak-anak tuh cocok nih kalau kalian punya anak. Banyak permainan di sini. We are at St. Thomas, Royal Caribbean Celebrity, sister company, sister ships. I mean, we are cousins. This is Icon of the Sea. So lucky today, Boo Boo with me. St. Thomas, guys. Iya, kita pernah kesini kok. Pernah lupa ingat. Lupa. St. Thomas in the day. Things to do. Map beaches. Iya, kita ingat di sini dulu kita pernah lihat iguana. Oh yeah, I remember this one. Now I remember. Yeah, we've been here before. Iguana, you see there? There's some iguana. Look at that, guys. Tuh, that's iguana, guys. There's another one.
Look at the little baby one.
That one's the iguananya, guys.
I got going. Look at this.
St. Thomas seperti ini, guys. Kita depan sini. Cuacanya katanya mau hujan gitu, mendung. Celebrity Beyond ini gede banget nih. Oh, magic carpetnya lagi di lantai 16 tuh, guys. Huh? Yeah, take a ride with taxi. We see with a bunch of people there. No? Right? Nggak bawa uang cash, guys. Susah juga. Isinya tuh. Oh, ke downtown ini. St. Thomas dengan Bubu. Cuman cuaca hari ini tidak mendukung ya, humid, tuh cloudy kayak gitu, guys. Jadi kita mau jalan-jalan keluar juga males banget. Tadi mau naik taksi, cuman si Bubu nggak mau katanya. Gue juga males naik taksi kayak gitu. Kalau mau kencing susah. Di sini banyak iguana, gitu loh. Iguana di Bubu tuh. Kita sandar sini, sebelah tuh kapal Royal Caribbean sudah mau terbang. Piernya seperti ini. Aku lagi nyari hunting iguana lagi nih. Mungkin bakal nemu iguana lagi. Oh iya nih ada iguana satu nih. I found iguana. One more here. Tapi iguananya katanya nggak boleh dikasih makan apa-apa. Nah ini taksinya tuh kayak taksi kayak gini, $6 gitu. Itu sampai ke downtownnya mereka. Nah ini iguananya guys. Tuh. Lucu kan ada iguananya. Halo. Taksinya kayak begini guys. Taksinya rame-rame gitu. Aku pergi. Mana gue taksi Bobo? Nah. Si Bobo nggak mau, gue juga males. Aduh. Lagi penyakit gue kencing gitu kan, susah. Tapi simptomnya biasa aja sih. Kita udah pernah kesini juga, jadi nggak ada sesuatu yang interesting. Nothing is interesting. Sini nih. Tuh yang tadi ada teman dari New York sama dari Ottawa, Gay juga. Dia juga katanya males mau keluar. Enjoy, have fun. Ganggang. Yang ini. I was looking for you. Dari seharian I didn't see her. Ya, Mbak Jumi.
Di mana-mana ketemu, biasanya Ocean View Cafe.
Ocean View Cafe. Hari ini lu kerja. Gue jadi cause he's been sick last time, so we always go avoiding buffet.
Yeah, that was our first day here, and I got quite sick.
Yeah, I heard from Alan.
Yeah, but I'm
Better.
yeah,
Much better.
but I miss buffet sometimes.
Lunch and breakfast
And
in the
there,
cafe.
yeah.
Dinner better in the dining room.
Iya,
We actually this.
iya.
Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you Makro.
Very well. Yeah.
Marco baik nih.
Wandered around. We didn't go in right in.
Dikasih lagi nih menu spesial sama si Mas Adi. Orang-orang pada nanyain gimana dapat kerja di selebriti.
Dapat apa?
Kerja di selebriti pakai apa?
Oh, interview.
Agensinya apa namanya?
Dulu agensinya itu PT Ratu Oceania Raya, tapi udah ini dia
Tutup.
sudah
Terus sekarang kalau mau ke selebriti pakai apa?
PT Equinox Bahari.
Equinox Bahari.
Iya.
Adanya di Bali aja.
Enggak, di Bali sama di Jakarta.
Equinox ya.
Iya.
Oh, itu prosesnya lama.
So they do work.
Long Bu.
Because you're here the morning,
Yeah.
lunch, and dinner.
The longest hour working maybe 13 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why
Yeah, if not so busy, if we not open for lunch, like 10 hours, 9 hours.
10 hours.
Long day.
Long.
Di kena biaya berapa? How much the cost?
Kalau sekarang, kalau dulu ya lumayan.
Berapa? 30?
Ya 30.
30 juta ya.
Kalau dulu.
Dulu. Sekarang
dengan Equinox Bahari, mereka nggak ini, langsung walk-in interview, kita langsung interview sama user mereka.
oh nggak charge? Nggak dipotong gaji gitu?
Nah,
Terus kalau mereka gajinya berapa modelnya? Sistem bulanan?
apa ya?
Gajinya sistem bulanan atau gimana?
Nah, di sini ya sistem bulanan, tapi kita dapat gajinya 1 bulan 2 kali.
2 minggu. Kira-kira berapa nih kalau boleh tahu? Roughly. Teman-teman kan pengen tahu.
Kalau waiter itu tergantung rating.
Rating ya.
Iya, kalau ratingnya bagus, ratingnya bagus, tergantung jumlah tamu juga.
Oh.
Ya kira-kira kalau per bulan ya 2.700 atau sampai 3.000.
US ya? US ya kan?
Iya.
Oke. Thank you infonya. Sorry Bobo, I was asking about.
It's okay.
Terus, aku kan posting itu kan di Instagram. Terus pada nanya.
So you work how many days?
Every day is Bobo. Si Bobo kaget deh
Don't
kalau.
have any time off. Really?
But the only free time for them is freelance ya?
Yeah, when we're not working lunch. So
Oh, so
So
then
we can
that's
go.
your time off.
Yeah, we can go outside.
But if they open lunch, then
Yeah.
no time off.
No.
Oh my god.
Alright.
But you're short rib.
Kemarin gue sakit, sekarang gue tadi. Ah,
You have the short rib.
is it lamb?
Mm.
Yeah, you can go there. Bagus, mabok sampai digotong sama orang Meksiko teman gue itu karena kita kenalan gitu. Jadi perut gue lupa bawa obat ini lagi heartburn gitu kan, mah gitu jadi naik gitu gas gue kan. Makanya tadi tuh siang tuh gue nggak, males banget keluar, gue tidur aja di kamar minum obat. Ya gitulah, udah lama nggak minum alkohol. Karena minumannya aku sempat minum bir, terus gin tonic, wine, gitu. Makanya suara gue tuh agak berubah sekarang. Baru bangun tidur. Si Bubul nggak keluar, nggak keluar ini nggak, besok aja mungkin gue bikin sesuatu ya guys ya. Tunggu aja ya. Oh ya tadi interview tadi itu semoga buat kalian bagus, seneng ya. Guys, milih menunya saking banyak. Ini gue kirain Australnya diapain, gue tanya dibikin ini sop buntut.
Dry. Yeah, because it's chicken breast, they can rice the chicken breast, and then the stuff is this one, the mushroom, short rib. You take the short rib?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Maybe I'll have a Caesar salad.
Caesar salad.
That's it. It's a Tuscan shrimp soup. Good portion too. We're having Caesar salad. My soup's delicious. Finish it. This is beef short ribs. Both of us we have same, but this one's not from Cyprus, but this is from another restaurants. Yeah, we'll see. This one is banana foster. Pisangnya ngumpat di bawah es krim. Bubu, what you having? Cafe. What the cafe creme brulee? Oh, I don't know.
No, I don't know.
Something with the cafe.
Chocolate.
Right? Enjoy.
Ali?
Right, we are coming to the view.
Did you have a nice day? Amazing. Didn't understand a word. I did hear somebody say snorkeling. Who went snorkeling? 5 people. Amazing. Was it good? You know, I need to tell you something about snorkeling. I had this lady come up to me this morning. She said, hey, I've got an excursion to go snorkeling today. And I was like, oh, amazing, it's going to be great. And she said, yeah, but I don't want to get wet. No, I'm not.
Ladies and gentlemen, I call this the vanishing bottle trick. Nothing on my sleeves except my sleeves. Wow, tough crowd, right? It's gone. Okay.
Damn! Wow! Woo!
Hey, first, can we get the house lights up so I can see everybody, please? There you are. Hello. How are you? Cheers. Welcome to the show, you guys. Here's the idea. I'm going to show you all a trick. Your job is to not be fooled. My job is to try and fool you, okay? So here's what I want you all to do. Everybody put your hands like this. And raise your hands if you saw me a couple of days ago doing laps on the walking track and wondered who I was. There you go.
Yeah, I saw you.
Right. It's me, it's me. So, my name's Man, and here's the thing. I want to tell you something about... Keep your eyes on the road. Don't blink. did it very well. Thanks for asking. I'm a professional. Hey, Fez, can we get the house lights up again? It's a little introduction. There you go, my love. Little intro there. Little intro.
Hi. I'm Trini. I live in Georgia.
Okay, I didn't want your life story. No, just your name. Just your name would be fine, Trini. Just your name. It's not your fault. I chose you. All right, Trini. So you live in Georgia. What do you do for a living, Trini? You're joking. Retired military soldier! Thank you for your service, Trini. Bless your cotton socks. Listen, so you're from where? Georgia? You live in Georgia, but where are you from originally? New Orleans. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah, ooh, one. All right, good. So, Trini, I want to tell you a story, if that's okay. You see, as I travel the world, I've learned that no matter where you're from, doesn't matter if you're from the US, Canada, England, Europe, wherever you're from, we all pretty much have the same stories. And I'm going to prove it. I'm going to ask you all a question, right? And I guarantee, no matter where you're from, you'll know the answer to this question. So let me set the question up first. So, Trini, when I was a little boy, my mom and dad would take me, my brother and sister on vacation, right? But we didn't do what kids do now. We didn't go on a cruise ship or an aeroplane. We did this thing that people have forgotten about. It's called a road trip.
Road trip.
Remember those? And what would happen is my mom and dad would load me, my brother and sister in the back of the car, right? And no sooner had we left the driveway than my brother and sister would say those words that no parent wants to hear on a 7-hour road trip. And they are... No, I gotta pee, but you were close. Now, Trini, if that is your real name. Trini, what I used to do, and this is a true story, I used to sit behind my dad, right? I'd look over his shoulder at the speedometer and I'd see how fast he was going, right? I'd look at a road sign and I'd see how far we got to go. I'd divide the two and figure out to the minute how long it was going to take us to get there. We're going to play a game. I want you to imagine, Trini, that you're a little girl sitting in the back of your parents' car and you're going on vacation. And as you travel down the highway, you look out the window and you see a road sign. And the road sign has a distance in miles to your destination, somewhere between 0 and 100 miles, okay? So I want you to think of a number now in your head between 0 and... No, let's make it more difficult. Let's make it above your age. So from 21... You're welcome. Think of a number now, Trini, from 21 to 100. Not out loud, just in your head. Between 21 and 100. Have you got one? Okay. Now, what I'm going to have you do, they don't have to see this, but this is so that we know you don't change your number. I'm going to have you write your number on the blank side of the card, okay? And the main reason for this is on the last cruise, the lady didn't write down the number and she forgot the number and the trick sucked, okay? So you laugh, but true story. So you're gonna write your number, and when you've done that, you're gonna cap the pen. Right now, make sure you cap the pen because that's how this happened. You're gonna cap the pen, and then you're gonna turn it so the number faces the floor, and you're gonna say, "Matthew, I'm done." Okay. Now be careful because the cap's off. So take that. Now don't do anything until I say go. Okay. Don't do anything yet, Trini. I'm gonna come down here. Lady just here in the white. Hello, my love. What's your name? Caitlin. Lovely to meet you. And is this your husband? You're a lucky man, sir. I'm going to stare at your wife. You are. He says, I am. You are. So, Caitlin, you're going to make sure I don't look, okay? Okay, ready, Trini? Go. So, Caitlin, what's happening right now is Trini is thinking of a number between 21 and 100. I have no idea what that number is. She's writing the number on the blank side of the card, Caitlin. When she's done that, she's going to turn the card over so the number faces the floor. She's going to cap the pen and she's going to say, Matthew, I'm done. Good. Caitlin, did I look? Okay, now keep me honest, make sure I don't look, okay? Trini, I'm going to keep coming back. If you could just stop me before I get too close, otherwise this is a different show, okay? So just say stop. Okay, good. Caitlin, did I look? Okay, good. Now this side of the room, please make sure I don't look. Could I take the pen? The cap is on the pen, yes? Marvellous, I'll take the pen. And could I take your card, Trini, with the number facing the stage, please? Good. Okay, I'm going to put it somewhere in the middle, so hopefully it's not on top, right, Trini? Good. And it's not on bottom, right? Good. So it's somewhere in there, is fair to say, yes? Marvellous. So far, so what? Wow, this is good for 20 minutes. All right. There is a point to this, and let me explain what the point is. I'm going to draw you a little road sign, okay, a little visual aid. Would you put your hand out for me, please? Marvellous. And I'm going to put the card just there on your hand. Would you put your other hand out for me? I'm going to let you curl your fingers around so I can't go in there and look for your card. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go back in time. Trenny, I want you to imagine you're that little girl. You're sitting in the back of your parents' car and you're going on vacation. As you look out the window, road signs flash by, and every road sign has a different number on it to your destination, but one of them's special. Diagonally, both ways. It's 65. These four add 65. These four, these four, these four, the middle four and the outside corners. 11 and 2 is 13, 5 is 18, and 47 is 65. Every single combination. Trenny, would you stand up for me, please? Would you hold my hand? Take it out. And then you're going to scooch back, and we're going to take this away because you don't need that where you're going. Perfect. And now Berkeley, what you're going to do, you're going to swing your legs over here, okay? And then you're going to lay all the way back so your head hangs off the end of the table. Yeah, for real, we're doing it. Yeah, that looks awkward. Okay, Berkeley, just go that way a little bit. Just scooch. That way, that way, that way. No, where are you going? No, stop making up your own show. Oh, what's that? What is that? Oh, that's illegal. Okay, so. You didn't know she got that, did you? All right. It's okay, I didn't tell him what it was. Okay, lay down again. Lay down. Okay, now what you're going to do, you're going to let your head go all the way back, because if you relax your neck, then it won't hurt so much. Okay, you're going to cross your legs, cross your legs. You're going to stick them straight out, just cross your ankles, Good, and cross your arms over your belly. Maybe not like that, Berkeley, because that, you know, okay. And just scooch that way, just a hair, that way. Yeah, you didn't move at all. Okay, good. All right, cross your legs. Good. How are you feeling? Comfy? Not so much. Okay, good. Right, let your head go back, because then it won't hurt your neck. Okay? Keep your head all the way back. Ladies and gentlemen, Berkeley's family, watch this. This day with Houdini, and that escape is the upside down straitjacket escape. Now I do it more dangerously than Houdini ever did, and here's why. Just got a lot more interesting, didn't it? My mom's so proud. My son's a lawyer. My son hangs from chainsaws. Oh, you're so lucky. Ladies and gentlemen, Houdini's record for escaping a regulation posy straitjacket was 60 seconds flat. And tonight that 60 seconds is going to be extremely important. Let me explain why. What you see here is a yellow metal frame. Through the bottom of the frame is a rope. Tied to the bottom of the rope is a black metal bar. Above the rope is a circular saw. This is operated by this red button. When this red button is pressed, the circular saw starts, and it starts its descent towards the rope. It takes 60 seconds flat for that saw to reach that rope. Here's the idea. I'm going to be strapped into a straitjacket, suspended upside down by these little plastic hooks from that bar, and raised 25 feet in the air. Just before I go, Sandy will hit that button. I will have 60 seconds to escape the straitjacket, use my arms to get myself the right way up, unclip one leg while 25 feet in the air, hanging by one leg, and use this leg to kick that stop button. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you ready? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, as you watch this, and I kid you not, you can Google this, please Google this afterwards. In my 5 years as an escape artist, I've had a lot of
Habis minum alkohol, kelaparan. Untung ada Mbak Dian. Mbak Dian jual apa sekarang hari ini? Hah?
Laris jualannya laris.
Laris ini hari ini?
Bang, mau lihat pizza mutarnya?
Mana? Ntar mau putar ya? Ayo. Apa kabar? Tuh, dia mau bikin show nih. Pizza muter. Si Dian. There you go. There you go. Oh. Thank you for the show.